And radio ads are totally passive. You write a check once a month to the radio station. They run your ads for you. People that call you, in fact, I just got off the phone with a lady 5 minutes before I got on this morning. The ads run every day, Monday through Friday. You get calls throughout the day. And these people actually want to talk to you. If you have ever done texting very much or just really cold outreach, you know that most of those people are not happy to talk to you. There's no indication of motivation, but these people call because they do have a situation. They want to sell their house. They need to sell their house. Doesn't matter if they're super motivated. They really, really want to speak to you. So that's a big plus. They're friendly conversations. Even if you can't help them, it's easy to say, like I told this lady this morning, she had an offer on this property, but they weren't going to be able to close as quickly as she wanted to take care of it. And I said, well, I can close, fast, but I can't pay that amount, so if you're stuck on price, I'm not your person. But if you want to sell it for less, we can definitely talk. And she's got a couple of things she's going to do, and maybe we'll talk again, maybe we won't. But the point is, she was excited to talk to me. She heard the commercial, and so she wanted to talk to us. So that's important. So I can see a point in the future where radio may be all that we do. Right now, we're running on 3 stations. We're very happy. We've closed 2 deals from radio ads. We've only been running. This is I think our 3rd month on one station and our 2nd month on another station. And we've closed 2. We've got another one under contract that I see no reason it won't close. It's not very complicated. So we're going to continue to do those. We love them. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.